Stop wasting your gold by using your engraving recipe selection pouches. Today I'll show you how you can get the engraving recipe that you want, with some extra free gold that you can save for later. Recently, I noticed a huge flaw in Lost Ark's economy. There is an item called the Battle Engraving Recipe Selection Pouch, which allows you to select any battle engraving recipe of your choice, and these engraving recipes are also tradable. This means they can be sold on the market for gold. The market allows players to buy and sell items for gold with a 5% transaction fee, only for selling. This means that all engraving recipes theoretically should be all the same price within a 5% threshold due to transaction selling fees. However, this is not the case. For example, let's run through a hypothetical example that I've prepared for you today. Let's say I want to use 10 recipes for Grudge since I am a war dancer. So normally, I would just use these recipes for Grudge and that would be the end of it. Wrong. That would be a complete waste of gold, since you can take advantage of the market arbitrage available. Obviously, the more people that know about this, the arbitrage will slowly be eroded away until the market is priced perfectly. But I figure, why not let you all know since it'll happen eventually anyways. So what you should do is check for the most expensive engraving by sorting by minimum price. Sort to either the class recipes or the general recipes. Class recipes are generally more expensive, so if you have a general recipe, then just go down a few pages. This will allow you to sell your engraving recipes for the maximum value at any given point in time. After sorting for the most expensive recipe, just ensure that the recipe that you want is at least 5% cheaper, otherwise the arbitrage won't work because you'll be wasting more gold due to transaction costs. After confirming that the recipe that you want is at least 5% cheaper, simply convert the selection pouches to the most expensive recipe. List them on the market, wait, and profit. You can see here that the most expensive recipe is an all-out attack for 30 gold. You can also see here that the Grudge is only 20 gold. This meets our 5% buffer room for transaction fee requirements. Also, I just noticed that some people here were selling their Grudge for 5 gold. Obviously, just buy these mispricings as soon as possible and resell them for the right price later. So here, I am converting all my selection pouches for the all-out attack engraving recipe. Here, I am listing them for sale at the minimum price of 30 gold. I also have an uncommon engraving recipe pouch that I don't need since I've already maxed out my class's engraving skill. So I'll simply sort by minimum price again and look for the most expensive engraving recipe. Again, I will convert the selection pouch to the confirmed most expensive engraving recipe. And after listing the items, we have nothing to do except for wait. And within a few minutes, the items are already sold for an 8 gold profit for each recipe for a total of 80 gold. Also, one of the uncommon recipes sold as well. And the rest of the recipes sold shortly after. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If this video gets enough traction, I'll continue to create more videos about Lost Ark's economy and how you can save gold and resources, exploiting market inefficiencies. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.